Hello, my name is Benson, and today's video is about creating a background for your YouTube channel art. The reason that they have to have a background for the YouTube channel art is because they have a different format now for YouTube that you can choose. Eventually it'll be mandatory, but right now you can choose. So we're going to use a simple little software called GIMP, GIMP, and we're going to use that to create a background for the channel art. And we'll move these down so we can see. So we're going to start by creating a file. File, new, and make sure it's 2200 by 1400. Click OK, and that's going to create a file for us. And we're going to color this by using the blend tool, which is this little box right here. Click on that. So that brings up a dialog box down here. And usually it's set on linear, and what we do is click on this drop down menu right here. Linear is what its default, so we're going to change it to radial, which it already has been changed, which is good. Okay, this is the foreground color and this is the background color that you see right here, foreground to background. So we're going to go with a let's say red, and then we're going to go to black. Foreground to background, foreground to background. And to make the blend, we simply take the cursor, center it approximately, push down on the left mouse button and drag the line to the corner. And then when you release it, it'll create the blend for you. So now we have a red background with dark corners. So we take that, we go back to File, we click on Export. Okay, we've created a PNG file and we need to change the name or give it a name, either way. And we'll call it red. And it's going to go to my documents. So we export, and then we export again. And this has to process. They're going to create the file and as a PNG file, and then they're going to send it to my documents. And we're just going to give it a few seconds here. And while we're waiting, and talk about the channel art. YouTube is changing their format and they call it one channel. And your channel art is going to show up on TV screens, on mobile devices, and on the web. So that's the reason for the large file size. So it covers up the whole screen on the TV monitor. And you can take your art, your text, your logos, whatever it is that you want to show up, and make sure that you try to center it in the large file here, the large background, so that you can see it on the web. And you can adjust it on YouTube. Once you upload the file, you can adjust what they call the crop. You can click on a button, says adjust crop, and then you can move the little brackets around until you center your message or your logo or your text, and then that way it'll show up on your mobile devices and on the websites. And that's the reason for all of this, because you want to make sure that your identifier, your logo, your text that you're using to identify yourself with is going to show up on the mobile devices and on the website pages, so that whenever you make the videos, then you have something to identify you with. Okay, so that's been done. And the next video is about creating a logo or some sort of art that you're going to put in the middle of the file. And that's another video, and we'll see you soon.